AI tools are changing how data analysts work in 2026. Today, many data analysts use AI to generate formulas, to summarize reports, to build dashboards, and even to explain trends faster. But with so many available AI tools today, which tools are actually very useful for data analysts? In this video, I'm going to show you 4 powerful AI tools every data analyst should start using and how they can make your work reports smarter. The first one we're going to talk about is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a very powerful tool that data analysts can use because it helps with many tasks. You can use it to write Excel formulas, to explain SQL queries, to generate DAX formulas, to clean messy data, explain charts, generate report ideas, practice interview questions, and learn concepts faster. For example, you can paste a messy Excel formula into ChatGPT and ask it to explain the formula step by step. Okay, or you can ask ChatGPT to generate an SQL query to calculate total sales by region. But one important thing you should remember is this: do not trust AI blindly. Always verify your reports, your formulas, your dashboards, your outputs whenever you finish using any of these AI tools. The second AI tool we're going to be talking about is Julius AI. So Julius AI is becoming very popular for analyzing data sets using simple English questions. All you need to do is to upload a data set and ask questions like, what are the top selling products, show monthly sales trend, which regions performs best. Okay, so why is it that beginners like this? Beginners like this because it feels more conversational and beginner friendly, especially for people learning data analysis. So it is helpful for exploration and quick analysis, but you will still need analytical thinking and business understanding while using this. Always take note, as with others, that with these AI tools, they are always very helpful for exploration and quick analysis, but you still need your thinking, analytical thinking, and business understanding to use them. So do not trust them blindly. The next one we're going to talk about is Claude AI. Claude AI is another very powerful AI tool that helps data analysts work with a large amount of information very quickly and easily. Claude AI can be used to summarize reports, to explain data sets, to generate insight, to build dashboards, okay, to write SQL queries, analyze long business documents. You can connect it to your Power BI report. You can do a lot of things with Claude AI. And one reason why many analysts love it is because Claude handles long documents and very detailed explanations very, very well. Another important point you need to know with Claude AI is that it is very useful for reporting and storytelling, but just like with every other AI tool, analysts need to verify their reports very, very well before giving out the result to anyone. The last tool I'm going to talk about is a tool that people really don't mention a lot, and that is an AI tool for communicating your analysis. There are many data analysts that are very good with numbers but do not know how to communicate their findings. And this tool is a tool that can help you do that. That is the Notion AI. Notion AI can help turn your findings into clear, compelling reports and presentations fast. Okay, so the reality of this is that your analysis is only as good as how well you explain it, because a lot of analysts, like I mentioned, are great at numbers but struggle to write a clear executive summary of their analysis. So with Notion AI, you can describe your content and to generate a polished presentation structure in seconds. Okay, you can paste your bullet points and ask it to write it for you for a business audience. One mistake many beginners make is thinking that AI tools will replace learning. No, AI tools can help you work faster, but they cannot replace understanding. You still need to learn how to use Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, and so many other data analytics tools that are very critical for learning. So the best analysts are those who combine their knowledge with AI tools. So those are 4 powerful AI tools every data analyst should know in 2026. If you're learning data analytics, start practicing with these tools and learn how they can make your workflow faster. So which AI tools do you currently use in your analysis? Let me know in the comments. And please, if you love this video or you benefited from it, please like, subscribe, and share, as that will be very, very encouraging to me.